$100 for a performance stage 1 transmission rebuild kit with a high-stall converter. And we are currently about to hit the highway right now. So I will tell you guys something, man, that I didn't even know myself. All right, I did know that there was 2 different kind of transmissions. Well, 3, now that I was told, but one is a 4R70W and the other one is a 4R75W. So they known which one I had, which is the 4R70W, but there's a difference in the size of torque converter, which your regular Crown Vic has a slighter, bigger diameter torque converter than any other Crown Vic transmission. That's for the regular civilian Crown Victorias. Now, you got your sheriffs and your state trooper Crown Vics that has a little bit smaller torque converter diameter. Then you got your city police cars that has the smallest diameter torque converter. I didn't know that, to be honest. And I guess that's where the confusion came in at. So when they was installing the parts, they was just told that it was a police interceptor, but nobody really ever done their homework. Or I guess even looked at the identification code on the transmission to see exactly which one I had. So I want to say I dropped the ball on that, and so did they. But their transmission shop, I just took my car there, paid the money, told them what I wanted. I was hoping it was gonna get done. So that's why I'm coming with this video a little late. I know it's been about 2 weeks. When I dropped that video, told you guys how long my car was gonna be in there. But hey, man, things happen. We're all human. They got me right with no extra cost. They bought new parts, put new parts in, took the new parts that was already in out. So I can definitely tell a big difference with this transmission. The stall and RPMs in each gear is a beast. She wants to pick up and go. So I'll give you guys a couple little test hits on the highway, closed course. And I'll let you guys make the decision from there whether it's worth it or not to get a high-stall torque converter with performance transmission parts, which I believe it is, so your transmission can last longevity. So we will go ahead and get into a couple clips, a couple pulls on a closed course, highway shots, and let me know what you guys think. Y'all, I got the 14 gears. Everything is low end with this car, so when it gets up to about 100 miles an hour, it starts to want to back off just a little bit, but not much. But like I said, for it being my vehicle, I can definitely tell it backs off just a little bit. Not much at all that's very noticeable to probably like a passenger or somebody riding with me. I did have my friend riding with me, and he feel like it still pulls, like even at 100 plus band, it still pulls the same. And I'd be like, I can tell it's a, you know, them 14 gears, it's all low end. 2, I got these heavy rims on the car, got a heavy system in the back, got a hood cowl, know, she still pulls very nice, very nice. And this Crown Vic will be getting dyno tuned, I want to say next week or the week after next. But the next video that I do put out on this Crown Vic, which should be right after this video, will be installing the Lambo doors. So as soon as I get to the house, I'm gonna put them bad boys on here, man. I'll show you guys the installation process, what it takes, do's and don'ts, so y'all can learn from me if y'all want to get that kit or not. But I'm a fan of the 90-degree, man, with the Lambo door kit, and not the one that cut across the door. No offense to any Crown Vics that the Lambo door kit cut across the door. It still looks good, but mine, I want mine straight up in the air, like real Lambo doors. That's what a Lambo does. Doors straight up in the air, man. It don't cut across the door. Straight up in the air. So, but yeah, I'm gonna give a couple more test pulls from 0 to 60, I guess, and from 20 on to however fast I want to go on the road, whatever. So, I'm gonna turn off on one of these exits, head back the opposite direction, let you guys get some footage. The on ramp. And she chirping the gears on 28s. Yes, sir. Did y'all hear a skirt? Yeah, she chirped them. She chirped them on 28s. It's a 20 roll. Chirped them again. Yeah, guys, that concludes this video, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the Lambo doors up in the air. I'm gonna also probably get another camera too. Yeah, guys, that concludes this video, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. I'm gonna have more entertaining videos to come, everything functioning how it's supposed to, and bring you guys the content y'all want to see, man. The bike should be gone soon, so another project vehicle will be coming to the channel. I think I done made up my mind already. So you guys definitely got to subscribe, smash that like button, and turn on that bell notification, man, and stay tuned for future uploads, because there's a lot to come, man, especially towards the end of this year and this year coming, 2021. We done had a rough year thus far, man. Hopefully everybody out there staying safe. Love all y'all, man. Love all my supporters. Love all my haters, man. Y'all love them all. I love all y'all. So, two-time Moto TV out, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that Lambo door update. Coming next video. Peace!